a little quiz for you, if you like. How well do you know your Rover door shut sounds? These are all driver's door with all of the windows closed. 7 cars in all, and here they are. Rover 25, 5-door. Rover 25, 3-door. Rover 45. Rover 75 or ZT. Rover 800, MGZT, and the R8. So, whilst I drink my cup of tea, here are the sounds. I'm going to give you some time to think about this, and whilst you have a think, have a little look at the fighting robots, and I shall reveal the answer in another video.